Tired of the same old woodworking tools? Get ready to have your mind blown. In this video, we're diving into the most incredible and unexpected woodworking inventions you've never seen before. From next-level gear to futuristic tech that changes the way you work, let's roll into the future of woodworking. The Bosch NanoBlade Saw. Most saws vibrate so much the cut drifts before you even finish it. This one is almost completely vibration-free, which sounds small until you actually feel the difference. Plunge cuts, freehand curves, branches, plastic, all handled cleanly. Blade swaps in seconds. No wrenches, no fighting with it. Just pick it up, cut, and the line is exactly where you put it. And a clean cut means nothing if your chisels are dull. This sharpening stone with honing guide locks your blade at the exact right angle, so every single stroke on the stone is actually doing something. Wide roller keeps it stable, no tipping, no uneven edges. Sharp edges, better work, every time you use it.
This ergonomic spray can grip. Spray painting a full project with just your fingertip? Halfway through, your fingers numb and your coverage is already uneven. This wraps around any standard can and gives you a full trigger. Your whole hand does the work instead of one finger. More control, consistent coat, zero fatigue. Costs almost nothing. One of those things you buy once and never understand why you waited so long. This automatic center punch. Hammer slips, mark drifts, hole goes in the wrong place, job suffers. This marks exact locations with one straight downward press. No hammer, no drift. S2 steel tip, adjustable strike force, works on metal, wood, plastic, glass, leather. One push. Drill goes exactly where you intended. Sounds minor, fixes more mistakes than almost any other habit in the shop. Quick one. How many of these have you actually heard of before? Drop a number in the comments. Genuinely curious. The Yeehaw Pyrography Kit. 2 pens, one for fine detail lines, one for shading big areas. Both with digital temperature readouts so you always know exactly what you're burning at. 48 tips between them, covering every technique you'll need. Works on wood, leather, cork, and more. Practice pieces included so you're not learning on your actual project. The complete setup that makes it easy from day one. The Saker chamfer plane. Routing a chamfer takes setup time. Hand planing freehand never looks quite right. This does it in one pass. Adjustable depth, carbon steel blades, bubble levels built in so you stay true without guessing. Safety guard protects your hand. Grab it, set it, done.
This drilling positioning ruler. You measure twice, you still drill slightly off. Door handle doesn't line up, shelf pins don't match. This locks your drill location before you ever touch the bit to the wood. Bubble levels keep you horizontal and vertical at the same time. Every installation that's supposed to be precise actually is.
The Jorest Contour Gauge. Cutting flooring around a door frame, fitting tile around a pipe. Press this against the shape, lock it, trace it, cut it. First try. Connects into a longer gauge when you need more coverage. Laminate, hardwood, vinyl, tile, molding, any irregular cut that's been costing you material and patience. One tool and the guessing stops. The Hedgehog Spiral Featherboard. Wood drifting from the fence, inconsistent cuts, then the blade catches and sends it straight back at you. Kickback is one of the most dangerous things that happens in a wood shop. One knob, one pivot point, quick to set, firm against the fence, holds the workpiece exactly where it needs to be through the whole cut. Cleaner results, safer shop. If you don't have one yet, this is the one.
This aluminum alloy scribing tool. Freehand parallel lines drift every single time. Freehand arcs with no consistent radius, same problem. This locks at any setting and holds it. Over 15 marking applications from one pocket-sized tool. Belt clip keeps it on you all day. Mark what you mean to mark, cut what you meant to cut. This carpenter pencil set. Regular pencil breaks at the worst moment. Mark fades before you make the cut. Can't reach the tight spot you need? This has a deep hole, elongated tip that gets into spaces nothing else fits. Thick lead that doesn't snap, built-in sharpener on top so it's always there, 3 colors, enough refills to last a serious project run. Sounds boring until you're working without one. The Craig K4 Pocket Hole Jig. Strong joints, fast. That's the whole promise, and it delivers every time. Drill, drive, done. 3-hole guide, clamping recess that holds firm on the bench or on site. The jig that DIYers start with and professionals never stop using because there's simply no faster way to build a joint that actually holds.
The Speed Hex Flip-Out Screwdriver. Tight space, awkward angle, drill's too big, hand screwdriver would take forever. This was built for exactly that moment. Full orbital rotation, complete flexibility in any direction. LED work light so you can see into the dark spots. Cordless, light enough to carry anywhere. Every toolbox needs one. Most people don't have one until a job forces them to find it. This Tillswall rotary multi-tool kit. Cutting, grinding, milling, polishing, drilling, sanding, engraving. One tool handles all of it. Pure copper motor, 6 variable speeds, LED in the handle, soft rubber grip for long sessions, better chuck for zero shake during fine work. Detail work on any material. The rotary tool that has everything sorted and none of the corners cut. These are 15 workshop tools so good, it almost feels illegal to own them. Tell me in the comment which one will you buy. And if you want more tools like these, the next video is right on your screen.